Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change folder's color. Okay, so all you need to do is to open up your folder and now click on this icon right in here. In here we have some basic colors that we can adjust. Simply click on the color that you're interested in. You can see the differences above. And if you want to set the custom color, click right in here. And in here you can manually adjust the color that you want, or you can also click on the spectrum, and in here you can also adjust anything that you want. Then simply click on done. And now, as you can see, we have our color. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.